Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can send zip files on Gmail. So first off, let's make our zip file. I'm going to go to my thumbnail section here and I'm going to zip some of my thumbnails. I'm going to zip all of these. I'm going to go to WinRAR and I'm going to click on Add to Archive. Gonna make it zip. I'm going to click OK. And now we have a zip file here, right? That we can send to Gmail. So we just have to open Gmail. Let's click on Compose here on this pencil icon. Give it a subject and a recipient as well. So I'm just going to do example at gmail.com, something like this, right? Now it'll come up. I'm just going to click on this subject, zip file you asked for, something like that. Now, the way we can attach it is by clicking on this icon, attach files. Just click on it. Now scroll down and find your zip file here. Click on open. And now the zip file will be uploading. Wait for it to upload. Now you can see it's uploaded when the text turns blue and there's no progress bar here. But there you go. Now your zip file is attached and you can send it through Gmail by pressing this button right here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.